Okay, hi, I'm Andy. Welcome to Paigefamily Homestead. Peggy's there on the camera. We're making today Newfie Steak. A typical Canadian breakfast. It's just the best thing ever. My grandmother was a Newfie, so I remember my dad cooking and my mom cooking this up for me. Although my mom was English, she just did eat that.
Oh, whatever.
Not really. But anyway, it's great, so stay with us and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, this is what we're making. Newfie steaks. These are them. And I'm going to put some, what are they called?
I don't know, bring it up. Hash browns?
I can't.
Tater tots.
Tater tots, tater tots. So I'm putting them in the oven at 425 for 20 minutes. There we go. Now, I'm about to embark. There is a special way, a very culinary way of cooking Newfie steak.
What is
It's not just throw it in the pan, buddy, and leave it.
What is the other name for Newfie steak? You gotta tell them.
What is it?
B-O-L.
Oh, what's the other name? Right. Bologna.
See, we call it Newfie steak.
I call it Newfie. You want a Newfie steak sandwich? Let me tell you, buddy. Anyway, this is what, there's a right way to cook them and a wrong way to cook them.
Of course.
Like if you put this in here like this, and I'm frying it in butter, like that. If you let that sit like that.
Yeah.
Oh, the oven's ready. So set it for 20 minutes. I'll bring you right back when it starts to cook. Okay, here's them cooking up right here like this. And the biggest thing is, see how that's bubbling in the middle? And then it'll pop, right?
What do you mean it'll pop?
It'll go boof and jump up out of the pan. So what I do to make this right is I'll cut it here like this. Now this is the way to do it. There we go. Which is better.
Listen to it scream, eh?
Oh, I know. Beautiful stuff.
Yeah, it's hard to eat when... Oh, you killed it.
I killed it.
It's hard to eat when it's got that big bump in the middle.
Yeah. There we go. Okay. So let me flip that over. Now, see how it's golden, getting brown on the sides? It's just beautiful like that. Just perfect. That's what you want to see. They don't take too long. So, I'll bring you right back. There. Okay, here's the Newfie steak. All cut up nicely. I'm just cooking up the eggs. We have those brown things in the oven. What are they called?
Tater tots.
Tater tots.
Wow, you made a mess.
I did. But that's the Newfie in me. Excuse me. I'll plate up the...
Did you know that bologna, all the sales of bologna in Canada, 60% of it comes from people in Newfoundland? Seriously, Newfoundland alone consumes 60% of our country's bologna, or Bologna, whichever way it's said. And I can understand why.
Or in some places, Bargoni.
I can understand why.
That look
Newfie steak
good?
is good.
Oh yeah. If you've never tried this, I think you're going to be quite pleased with it.
I can't imagine anyone on this planet that has not
either
had Newfie steak.
I know, eh?
Usually it's done with thicker bologna, but
Well, you can get the
can't
tube
find it
and then
right
cut
now.
and cut it. So I go to the package, the
Whoops.
almighty package. Just flip those eggs over. Wham! Bam! I demand.
Hey, see that thing in your hand?
Yes,
It's a flat whisk.
No, it's not. Spatula City. That's where you get these. Oh, look at that. That's the stuff you don't want. If I can do it without breaking it, a little longer, I think. That one there. Okay, this one's done.
No. Is that yours?
Sure. Right on top of the Newfie steak, because that's the way it's supposed to be.
Okay. Oh, that's going to be a good one.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Look at that. Just poke-a-poke-a-roo.
Basic cottage, camping,
Yeah.
any day of the week, Newfie steak.
You can cook this outside. It's the easiest way. Just flap it on, cut it into your nuclear shape. But, yeah. Okay, let's flip that baby over. Oh, yep. There we go. Whoa! Almost had a catastrophe there, folks.
Now,
Why do you laugh at that? It's not
because
funny.
you can make a beautiful one-pan breakfast, right?
Right.
How many pans did you use?
Well, it's okay. I'll wash them. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful.
It is. All right.
Alrighty. Now, what do you think of that?
What? Oh, there you are. Yep, that's Newfie Steak Breakfast.
That is. Let's see how those eggs are done. Oh. Oh my. And here's the best part. The Newfie steak, dip that in your egg. You don't need no fork.
Fork.
Fork and fork. There we go. Look at that. Just beautiful. That is so good. Oh my God. Okay. So, if you like our video, there's a thumbs up. Ding, 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 that bell. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Think of what you think would be good to go with Newfie steak. I'd like to know.
A fork.